SkyALERT Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
Right now we're seeing quite a bit of ups and downs, and there's been much talk about how cold it is throughout the nation, but just how cold is it? Well, negative 15 degrees right now in Minneapolis and negative 12. This is the air temperature. This is not wind chill. It's also negative 3 in Kansas City, and just a little bit further south where my buddy Jeff LaMancha is. Check this video out. This was at negative 9 degrees. He threw this warm cup of water, 100 degrees, up in the air. Watch what results. Now, this is pretty cool. Throws it up in the air, and then ice crystals fall. That's how quick it freezes. That's how cold that water is. And the reason for it is hot air or warm water has a little bit warmer or broader surface, and that's why it's able to drop. And it looks like mist, but it's actually frozen ice particles. Now, of course, we're not worried about that throughout the area. In fact, we've got plenty of clear skies throughout the west, and locally the coldest that we got was in Quartzsite, 32 degrees, 40 in Blythe, 49 in Yuma, but Don at 3E in County 15th said it was 34 by his place. So just another example of those local microclimates, 37 in Imperial Valley and 43 in Mexicali. Now, it didn't stop us from boosting up to 70 in Imperial Valley, 64 currently already, so very nice. We're not worried about that. In fact, that's one of those things that you can write home to some of those people you may know out east or further up north. We got a lot of dry air in place and single-digit relative humidity values, which means our fire danger perhaps just a touch higher, but 10-mile-an-hour winds not exceeding it, and that's why we're not seeing any watches or warnings or anything of that nature. Clear skies, some clouds up to the north. We'll see more of those filter in into the overnight hours, and Precision Cast will show that just a touch, but just underdoes it. We'll see some higher clouds. They won't be thickening our skies until about Thursday. So for Tuesday, 49 north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, warming up pretty nicely throughout the day. We're at 65, and then 5 to 10 mile per hour winds for our high temperature. 38 light winds in Imperial Valley to begin our day. 67 up to 72 degrees. Light winds, pretty nice by 4 p.m. We are looking at another excellent day tomorrow. Here's that cold front that provided teens in Atlanta. Atlanta, of all places. That's how far south this is dipping. You can see the line right here. That is the cold front. But for us, not much change. And as we're in that dry air, it's just going to stay that way. And then we look at future temperatures and see where that Arctic air goes. And, well, it's finally pushed off and will level out. We're still in the same. We're still in that yellow, which means just slightly above average, but not much change in the way of anything for us. So no news is good news sometimes, especially when you're already at perfection or near it, depending on how you like it. But here's how we like it. The next 7 days, 72 tomorrow, 73 on Wednesday. We see a little bit of a system drop down that provides us with cloud cover and maybe shaves a couple of degrees off, but anything really too negative for us, it's pretty nice. Saturday and Sunday as well, 73 and then 74 on Monday. Not much of a change here in the next 7 days. Our average high of 69 degrees, average low 46. Well, sticking right about it. 68 and 73 are the averages, ups and downs. And Steve and Manoa, it looks like it's going to be just another beautiful 7 days here in our area.